To change this recent app style, what you do is open Play Store and search for GoodLock app. Open it and then install the application. I have already installed, so after installing, open it. And here there is an option, Home App. Open it, go to Task Changer, enable it, and here you will get the option to change the recent app style. For example, if I select this slim list and if I go here, you can see the recent apps will be in this style. So change in which way you like. Also, there are more options here. If you select mini mode, then the recent app will be small like this one. If you select app label, you will see the name of this app on the top here. And if you enable the search bar, you will find the search icon here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips.